Thinking of starting freelancing in 2025 but not sure what skills you need or how to begin? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video I'll show you how to kickstart your freelancing journey using powerful AI tools even if you have zero experience, no fancy setup and no prior skills. First things first, choose a freelancing platform where you can offer your services. Here are 4 top options: Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour and Freelancer.com. Pro tip: start with Fiverr. It's beginner-friendly, doesn't require proposals, and has less competition for small gigs. Now let's look at 3 easy services you can offer using AI tools. Number 1, content writing with ChatGPT. You can write blog posts, social captions, or product descriptions. Just use prompts and AI tools to deliver quality content within minutes. Number 2, graphic design with Canva design logos, Instagram posts, or YouTube thumbnails. You can even sell your designs on Fiverr or Etsy for some passive income. Number 3, video editing with InVideo. Make faceless YouTube videos, reels, or ads. No editing skills required. InVideo handles everything from text to visuals. These services are in high demand and take minimal time to deliver with the help of AI. A strong profile builds trust and attracts clients. Here's what to focus on. Write a catchy gig title that's keyword-rich. Create a clean branded gig image using Canva. Write a description that clearly explains what you're offering. Set up 3 pricing packages, basic, standard, and premium, and stack value with each to stand out and get your first few orders faster. Share your gig on Quora. Answers: Pinterest pins and Facebook groups. Check Fiverr daily for buyer requests and respond quickly. Deliver early and over-deliver with bonuses to earn great reviews. When you get your first order, read the brief carefully and clarify anything you're unsure about. Use tools like ChatGPT, Canva, or InVideo to create the actual content. Deliver on time and always write a friendly, professional delivery message. If you'd like me to show you a step-by-step Fiverr profile setup, comment below Fiverr guide, and make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss the next video. Your digital earning journey starts here. Let's grow together.